The sun is already low when the two researchers start their journey home. But the day is not quite finished yet. The delta turns on an amazing natural display. Millions of European starlings gather in huge flocks, forming ever-changing patterns in the evening sky. The flock hangs in the air, then shifts and changes. For the birds, it's time to find a roosting site for the long, cold night. Starlings are masters of coordination in the air. No matter how many or how small the space between, the birds never collide. One minute they look like smoke, then without any effort they change into some pulsating superorganism seemingly from another world. In Tolkien's novel, The Lord of the Rings, Middle-earth is the land where the ultimate struggle between good and evil is fought, and the Balkans may still be coming to terms with its violent history. But despite its reputation, this is not Mordor, the land of doom and shadow. There is beautiful magic here. Somehow, the Balkans has managed to remain wild, unspoiled, a well-kept secret at the heart of a changing world.